Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious beef wontons. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, a package of wonton wrappers, and some fresh aromatics like ginger, garlic, and green onions. Don't forget your essential seasonings: soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. These simple items are the foundation for a flavorful filling. Now, let's create that amazing filling. In a large bowl, combine your ground beef with the finely minced ginger and garlic. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for depth. Stir in your chopped green onions and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, ensuring all the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the beef. With your filling ready, it's time to wrap. Lay a wonton wrapper flat and place about 1 teaspoon of the beef mixture in the center. Dip your finger in water and moisten all 4 edges of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half to form a triangle, pressing firmly to seal. Then, bring the 2 bottom corners together, overlapping them slightly, and press to secure. Repeat for all your wontons. Finally, let's cook these delicious parcels. You can boil them in simmering water for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface. For a crispy texture, pan-fry them in a lightly oiled skillet until golden brown on both sides. Once cooked, serve your beef wontons immediately with a side of your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.